In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upgrade your Murf AI plan with confidence and avoid any confusion along the way. First, log into your Murf AI account and make sure you land on the dashboard. This is your home base, where you'll see your recent projects and quick access panels. If the dashboard looks a little different from what you remember, don't worry. Platforms update their layouts from time to time, but the core navigation stays similar. Next, look to the left panel. Find your profile icon or your account name and click it to open your account settings. Depending on your setup, your profile might appear as a small avatar, your initials, or your full name. The settings area is where you manage everything related to your account, so it's the right place to handle upgrades. Inside the settings menu, locate the section labeled Subscription or Billing. Different accounts may show slightly different terminology, but you're looking for the area that controls your plan, invoices, and payment details. Think of this as the control center for your plan type and usage limits. Now, review the available plans. Take a moment to compare features such as voice options, project limits, export quality, and any team or commercial use permissions that matter to you. Many subscription pages include a toggle for monthly versus annual billing, so check that setting if you're comparing prices. It's worth verifying what's included in each plan to make sure you're choosing the one that fits your workflow and budget. When you're ready, click the upgrade button on the plan you want. Follow the prompts to confirm your selection. You may be asked to verify your billing cycle and payment method before finalizing. This is a good time to double-check the total amount, any discounts being applied, and the start date of your new plan so there are no surprises. Once you confirm, the system will process the change right away. After upgrading, your account will automatically reflect the new plan and benefits. You should see your updated plan name in the subscription or billing section, and related features will unlock on your dashboard. If your interface still looks the same, give it a moment. Some updates can take a short time to appear. You can verify the upgrade by checking your plan label or credits where they usually display. That's it. You've successfully upgraded your Murf AI subscription. If you found this walkthrough helpful, keep exploring your new features to make the most of your plan.